GWM Philippines has launched its newest SUV, and it is this, the Haval H7. So it's the smaller sibling of the H9 SUV, you may recall from a few months back. But this one, while it does have the same boxy and retro rugged exterior finish, it comes with an all-electrified powertrain, or all-electrified lineup rather. It starts with a base hybrid, has a two-wheel drive plug-in hybrid, and it tops out with this, the four-wheel drive plug-in hybrid system. So let's focus on this one for a second. This comes with an EV-only range of about 91 kilometers, and in total puts out about 340 horsepower and 760 plus newton meters of torque. Now let's take a quick look at the inside. So this is a five-seater, and it has quite a decent interior. So let me just hop in for a second. So it's quite spacious. It's a nice cabin. You've got all these leather and soft touch materials all around. You can see here there are nice touches on the dashboard. There are plenty of storage options here. You've got a large infotainment system here. And if I'm not mistaken, it also comes with Apple CarPlay, yes, and Android Auto. You have USB charging ports, wireless charging pad, more cubbies here, and you have this, I think, a sizable, very sizable, there you go, very sizable under your armrest compartment. Now let's take a very quick look at the back seat. So if you can notice, this is not that long. So it has a very small distance from the B to the C pillar, but it doesn't it doesn't cost you any space whatsoever. So this one is a weird position. You could say that this is the position of a 6'2", or probably si Carlo, kasya siguro dyan. So my driving position is still probably a bit further forward, but I can fit comfortably here. I have USB-C and A ports, dedicated charging, and dedicated AC vents. I have a plenty of storage spaces here. This is a nice bottle holder. I think this is, yes, it does extend. And, well, it's comfy. The seats are really nice and plush. You have a sunroof up top, and I guess that's it. So we'll talk more about this lineup once we get to try it out. But before we let you go, let's just do a quick rundown of the prices. So it starts at under 1.3 million pesos for the base HEV, and it tops out at 1,698,888 pesos for this four-wheel drive plug-in hybrid. What do you guys think of the all-new GWM Haval H7? Let us know in the comments.